Good evening, people, and welcome back to the episode 3 of getting this gun back to life. Now, I've been doing some research on what we can do to get this barrel ready for some cold bluing. Cold bluing has very mixed reviews. However, we're going to give it a go. Now, I've got some sandpaper starting at 100 grit. We're starting at 100 grit, and then we stop at 320. So I'm going to literally take all the rough bits off of this, and then we're going to slowly work our way down. And I did a little bit of a test run, but once I get a section done, I'll probably start at the top. Once we get this top section done, I'll show you the massive difference. So just to give you a quick difference between the two parts of the barrel there. This barrel on the bottom has had the start of the sand, and this top barrel hasn't. I'm going to carry on doing this until we get this barrel in a state that it's ready. So wish me luck. So we've been going, we're still on the 100 grit, we've not moved up yet. But I just wanted to show you the huge, I don't know if you can actually see it. There's a huge comparison between the two barrels. You can probably see it there. Massive improvement. Obviously this is only going to get better with the finer grit that we get down to. These barrels aren't really in the best of conditions. They're still usable, more than usable, just old is the best way I could describe it. So yeah, we're gonna carry on getting this down, but just to put in perspective of how much grime there is, that is my hands now, and that is just from these barrels. So we're gonna carry on, gonna get these nice and shiny and fine, and then we can tomorrow, once everything arrives, we can then start on the stock. We can start, once the stock has been done, we can then start assembling the action back together, and then the last job will be bluing these barrels. I'll catch you once I've continued to get these sorted. So I've been at this now for a little while, and I have managed to get the worst of the muck off of this barrel. There's still a little section to go here at the bottom, just this bit here, but you can see from the rest of it that we have managed to get a lot of that original surface dirt, rust and grime all off of the top layer of this using 100 grit. I'm now going to move up a grit level tomorrow when the sandpaper arrives. I'm just going to tidy up the where the hooks are, and I'm just going to tidy up the overall barrels as well. The issue is because my fingers are so dirty from the barrel, when I then touch this, I'm just putting dirt back on it. So I'm going to give this a bit of a wipe down and just carry on touching it up.